Are y'all ready to make this bomb DIY that's going to leave your curls drenched and hydrated? Well, let's get into it. Hello, my beautiful YouTube family. I am NowIamNappy, and we're back for week 6 of our NINT challenge. And y'all, we're going to be making 2 bomb DIY recipes. The first one is going to be this flaxseed and marshmallow root gel. Y'all, it's going to give you slip, moisture. And then we'll be making a moisturizing tea with herbs like marshmallow root, hibiscus, and chamomile. So let's go ahead and get started so we can have bomb moisturized hair. So let's get right into it. Okay, so let's begin on medium heat. We're going to add 2.5 cups of distilled water to the pan. Next up, we're going to go in with 1/4 cup of our flax seeds. Now you want the whole flax seeds, not the ground and not the meal. Then we will follow up with 2 tablespoons of our marshmallow root, y'all. We talked about this in the previous video, and marshmallow root contains polysaccharides that create a nice mucilage to add additional moisturizing properties to this gel. Now we're going to let this come to a rolling boil and turn it down and continue simmering for about 5 to 10 more minutes. You want to start seeing strings of mucilage form, and at this point you go ahead and turn this mixture off. Now let that cool down for about 30 minutes and then pour this right into your pantyhose to prepare it for straining. Now y'all, the slip in this is going to be insane, but it's also going to be very messy to get out. If you have a larger pantyhose, use this. I highly recommend that, or a larger bowl so you can get all of the gel inside of the glass bowl or container. And then we will add, y'all, don't be like me, this pantyhose is too small, but go ahead and squeeze as much of the gel as possible out of it. Squeeze, 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 and try not to get any of the seeds like I do into the mixture. I will say you can easily pluck this out. The gel is very cool to the touch, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself. Y'all, look at this beautiful gel. I'm going to pop this right in the fridge. It's going to get a little bit thicker as it starts to settle. And while we do that, let's go in and make our marshmallow root tea. Now y'all, we made this previously, so I'm going to go through this pretty quickly. If you want all the details, you can check our previous video that I'll link up top. But we're going to go in with 1/4 cup of marshmallow root, and this time we're throwing in about 2 tablespoons of our chamomile. Now you can use chamomile tea bags. Y'all know I have the loose flowers. This is also going to add some nice moisturizing properties to this tea. And then we will add 6 to 8 florets of our hibiscus. Again, we're going to let this tea simmer for about 15 minutes, and then I'm going to remove the hibiscus florets, strain this, and then put that bag right back in the pot and let it sit for another 12 hours. Y'all, this is going to help that marshmallow root release its mucilage and all those wonderful properties from the polysaccharides that are going to give this mixture another layer of hydration. Okay, once that's done, go ahead and pour this into a bottle for use, and let's get right back to doing our hair now. Now y'all, I had to shampoo and condition my hair. My hair has been doing so well with this challenge. So this is fresh after, of course, using my oat and aloe shampoo bar and my deep conditioner. Y'all see that hydration, baby, hydration in my hair. So let's go in and slap on this flaxseed gel first, and then you can follow up with your marshmallow root as a hydrator. You can focus that also on your roots as well. Now y'all, the flaxseed gel has a great amount of slip, and by adding the marshmallow root, you can really detangle nice and evenly with this. Now the mixture that we're making does have quite a bit of hold. If you guys would like a little bit more conditioning properties, you can actually mix the marshmallow tea that we made right into your gel mixture. It will make it a little bit looser, but less of a strong hold. I know some people mentioned that they were a little bit nervous about the gel cast that some of the gels have, but there's nothing wrong with this particular cast. It actually helps to hold and define the curls. Now just remember, you can also use the marshmallow root tea on top of the hair to provide additional conditioning properties. And do not keep this flaxseed gel more than 7, maybe 10 days. Otherwise, Night said he's coming to get y'all. Just as soon as he's finished with his stick, clearly. Y'all, can we just get into these curls? this definition, this hydration. Look at that, baby. I don't have these kind of curls unless they're defined by some product. Oh, and here I go, y'all. Y'all, this is exactly why God did not give me big old curls, because look at me. I already don't know how to behave. Alright, y'all, let's just get back to these benefits. So flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, in particular alpha-linoleic acid, which is essential to our body but is not produced within our body and must be found in outside sources. It's also rich in vitamin E, which is great for both the skin and hair, and helps to reduce free radical damage on the hair and scalp. It can also improve blood circulation, promote hair growth, and minimize breakage. Next up is chamomile. It is rich in polyphenols and phytochemicals, which help to nourish the scalp and the hair. It can speed up wound healing time and relieve skin irritations from eczema and rosacea. It is rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that are great for the scalp and for the hair. It's also believed to help increase collagen production and circulation in hair follicles. Now, if you guys want to learn more about marshmallow root and hibiscus, I highly recommend you check out the video from the previous week where I mentioned all the details about these particular herbs. And just a note, you can use the marshmallow root tea on its own. You don't have to have the flaxseed gel. If you don't have it, don't use it. Or if you don't like gels, you don't have to use it as well. This is a nice and hydrating experience for your hair because of the mucilage provided by the marshmallow root and chamomile. Now y'all, finally, don't forget we're going to go in with our scalp massager. Now this week I'm going to just put my hair into 2 buns. I'm not even putting my hair into twists. I'm still going to have access to my scalp to make sure I massage it properly, get that blood circulation and nutrients, and will still be using my marshmallow root tea on my scalp at least 3 times this week. Okay, you guys, that's it for this week. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure if you're participating in our challenge, you are using the hashtag on Instagram, which is NIANT challenge. Post about how you're using the teas or using the gel this week, as well as comment underneath this video letting me know that you're participating in this challenge. And the giveaway for this week is my leave-in conditioner. That thing is bomb, y'all. Brings you so much moisture to your hair as well. So don't forget to subscribe and share with any of your friends who are looking to add some moisture into your hair. Also, you guys, stay tuned for next week because we're going to bring back herbs for hair growth, okay? And if y'all can't tell, my hair is growing and thriving. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you share with any of your friends, and I'll see you guys for another Tip Tuesday. Bye.